Beneficial snow impacted the region as we ended this work week. Want to take a quick recap of where that puts us so far this winter. So we're going from December 21st, which is the first day of winter, to the present day. We're over 10 inches above that normal here in the Springs, and even in Pueblo we're running above average by about an inch, almost an inch and a half. So this is some very beneficial moisture that we saw, especially when you take a look at the snowpack now really caught up in the Arkansas region. And what you do see region-wide, almost the entire state going to be running above average. Again, it's not quite enough to cancel out these drought conditions just yet, but very promising sight with still our snowiest months ahead of us really for the next 2.5 months. So out your door right now, it's relatively comfortable out there. No real surprises going to be expected for that night tonight. It's really what you see is what you get. 28 degrees, going to be a few degrees above average tonight here in Pueblo with some winds breezy at times. All in all, though, it's a comfortable February night. 25, that's going to be our low here in the Springs. Again, we're normally in the upper teens at this point, and we carry these above average temps into that day tomorrow, already at 52 degrees by about noon to 1 o'clock. So another comfortable day going to be expected for tomorrow. 57 going to be our high here in the Springs. We're anywhere 15 degrees above average. These February weekends, they've really cooperated weather-wise. All this unsettled winter weather has waited till the week. 57 in Pueblo, 55 Canyon City. Again, we start that day with sunshine, then clouds do begin to build as we get towards these evening hours. 40s, 50s out towards your plains as well. So it's a nice but breezy day. And then as we get into your night tomorrow, Saturday night through Sunday morning, high wind watches Huérfano, Las Animas County. Winds are going to be sustained 30, 40 miles per hour with gusts between those gaps upwards of 75 miles per hour. High profile vehicles certainly going to want to be safe as you get south of Pueblo. How windy are we talking? So Saturday by 5 o'clock, all these 30, 40, 45 mile per hour gusts stay south of the Pueblo area. So here in the Springs, majority El Paso County, enjoy that Saturday, especially if you're not a fan of these windy conditions. By Sunday morning, Futurecast wants to indicate potential for 50, 51 mile per hour gusts here in the Springs, 30 mile per hour gusts in Pueblo. And again, you got that potential for gaps along Southern I-25 upwards 75 miles per hour. So you really do got to take it slow as we get into the Saturday night through that whole day Sunday. And then by Monday, we start to see improving conditions. So temps, they're comfortable for your day tomorrow. And then by Sunday, 49 going to be your high in the Springs, 53 Pueblo. So we're a tick cooler, but nonetheless, it's going to be a real comfortable weekend. Nice change compared to this week that we had, but all good things, they do come to an end. It's another midweek storm that we're going to be keeping a very close eye on. Again, the good news, 3 inches, I think we can almost rule off the table at this point. A minor event. It's more of a Woodland Park, Palmer Divide type snowstorm, and we do have polar Arctic air that does follow behind it. So I think for the Springs, that's the main headline. Maybe an inch of snow, but temps, they really do crash. So enjoy the Monday, enjoy the Tuesday, enjoy this weekend. Another taste of Arctic air going to be moving towards the region. Again, do stick with us because it's quite a few days out, but we'll keep you guys updated on this midweek storm chance. We got more news and sports coming up after that break.